done the pre-booking, so I'm not getting any hotels right now, so just roaming. Group of 8 people, as you can see, they're in the background. Guys, there! The place where I have to go to work, so it is closed. So I'm just roaming around here, and the temperature is around 27 degrees Celsius, and it looks pretty fine. I'm feeling cold. I'm going to show the view now, where we are having fun. So I have reached the Triveni Ghat to attend the Ganga Aarti. The place is quite crowded and weather is of course very nice. Himalayan apple juice factory, which is in Nagaon near Dehradun. So I came here to see the production of apples, the sorting of apples and how they are supplied in the market and how the juice processing is done. The unit is closed for the juice processing, so today we came to know about how the apple is being procured and they are sorted and supplied in the market. Editing, I cannot record.